talking to the camera. One second. I gotta start talking to the camera so I can make sure that I build a community. And y'all just don't be real. We gotta be, you know what I'm saying? I gotta be responsible. So I need everybody to comment in the comments. Y'all should tell me. I need everybody coming in the comments. Let me see. GBE, I need everybody to come in GBE. If you a real supporter of Greater Boys, man, and you see this, come in GBE. Cause I ain't gonna lie. Yesterday, a couple folks asked me, bro, why you don't be vlogging no more? And I don't even be knowing who all y'all be, but I guess y'all be supporting me, so just show me y'all supporting me. Come in GBE, really. No cap.
You got the camera on, camera roll?
Camera roll. What we got on? Okay.
Put on you. Got the bros out. Right, Jay. TJ, what you got, TJ? Got the car.
They hope get down. That hoe gone, ain't it? That hoe gone. You hear that, mama? It ain't too bad though. That was hella good. What you got there? Still going. Bro, you heard that beat? Boy, it sound like a nigga had a nickel on the dashboard. That was doing that right now. Yep, that's it. That hoe went talking about shit though. Like, that hoe went, I can't say shit, I ain't got a back bumper. I'm just gonna shit the fuck up then.
The nigga with no bumpers be the fastest niggas.
Nigga, I'm slow. Nigga, I'm slow. Good. It's my car fast. Exactly, goddamn. Everybody slow to the motherfucker. I just know how to 1, 2, 3, 4 that motherfucker.
On the camera, bro.
I just know how to 1, 2, 3, 4 that motherfucker, man. They get the water before they go. Where Stacy go? Hey, I'm finna make more of this motherfucker. That's it. Man, that hoe dead.
Ooh, I'm reload.
Man, tell them what it is, bro.
Hey, man, they know what's going on. Brady and boys, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I don't live the big Grady, man.
Oh, look at that big motherfucker. My tell you won't drive it.
Hey, my band.
My tell you won't drive that motherfucker, AJ?
In there, man.
I know you would drive. God damn. Check him out. God damn. Come on, man. You can't tell me you won't drive that motherfucker there.
I'll try that motherfucker.
You couldn't tell me. That motherfucker. God damn.
Man, I'm riding regular. Yo, he's somebody on the drive.
Man, you got 4 cars, bro. You can't keep just saying it like you ain't just. Man, swear God.
Shit, I was gonna focus yesterday.
In the back seat. No, it's funny. You shit.
Riding in the focus.
Fuck wrong with him.
As soon as it's gone, I feel another 60. My baby needs some shoes, my auntie need a purse. Summer coming real soon, so I need a bird. I hop up out that van with that double bag. And if a nigga
On my way to fuck your bitch. On my way to fuck your bitch. See what you talking about, bro? On my way to fuck your bitch, nigga. This shit real life, man. This shit always been real life. God damn, what the hell? God damn.
Diamonds.
God damn. Show me something, man. Shit. Shit.
It ain't just 5 in this bitch, though. Don't think it's just 5 in this bitch.
I know it ain't. Shit.
I
Shit.
can't even hold all this shit for real late.
Oh, shit. Oh, free money. Ooh. AJ, watch out, AJ.
You built that up on the ground, dog.
He done locked that motherfucker up, man. He done locked that motherfucker up, man. Yeah. He saw that camera. They wouldn't do it. This the thing, it wouldn't do it though. That's why I started recording. That motherfucker locked up on this. That motherfucker locked up, man. I ain't tripping shit. Move out the way, young nigga.
Everybody got the DLC.
I know it. I'm waiting on your ass. Let's do it, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. Get them out. Oh, damn. Man, what they be saying? God damn, that motherfucker talking, eh?
He look like I'm attacking my heat truck.
Shit, got up on that motherfucker, shit. They already selling shoes, eh? Who they shoe club, eh? Man, what them shoes is up there, man? What them shoes here for, man?
Call my phone bone, and you ain't got 1,000 on call me.
My shit, man. Yeah.
Man, what you playing in the band, man?
Man, yeah, you talking about what you tell him, man? Yeah, damn. All the time I shoot high, the motherfucker right behind that shit. Fuck out my face, man, dude. Hey, check out this blue bitch out, boy.
That man smoked that one like a cigar.
Like, taste the hell. Taste the rain, man. We coming up through this bitch. We coming up through this bitch. Check him out. Check him out. Check him out.
I like them motherfuckers. This that I pointed at. My homeboy got something.
Why y'all go the opposite direction? Yeah, split up like motherfucker shit. Oh, I see what he on. I see what he on. Hey, you think you slick? I know what you on.
I'm trying to get cut for a slab. I'm trying to phone for a bone. This shit going.
I see what you on. You want to slick?
I'm trying to climb this hill.
Man, some motherfucking lemonade, like a kid when you was in 5th grade or something. The lemonade stand, that's it.
I think the cup is.
Shit, that motherfucking jar got him. Oh, $10.
All I can do with $10.
Oh my God, they go Popeyes. Oh shit. That probably cause we gotta stop being cheap, cause like we got it and shit. So might as well spend it.
A $10 drink. It better have some liquor.
Wow, so shit. No real. Man, I had to show them you again, bro.
I want to hear
Don't my name start with an L?
It really do. But they don't know that though.
What you got? Yeah, pops on the jump.
But what about the L?
They stand for loser ass nigga.
Name start with an L.
Little nigga. Larry, nigga.
Like Larry.
I don't know about that one. Oh shit! God damn! I ain't even see the journey now. I don't know how I feel about it.
He built.
He ain't got no to that bitch.
That shit made me sick.
What?
Oh, sound like a Tesla though.
Uh-oh, check him out in the bubble boy. Me neither. I can't drive a bubble.
Give me a box Chevy now.
I get a box, boy, like a motherfucker. Shit. What's going on, man? What's going on, bro?
What you doing with this fat ass camera?
Man, all of us over here, but we park way in the back, though.
I say no more.
Alright. Hold on, let me step out right quick. Oh, chicken man.
You gonna serve something else?
Boy, no flavor, huh? Boy, no flavor, don't it? Ooh. Fuck, nigga, I let people to Billy. Come on, they stick to Billy. Yeah, them all ass though. Might have to cut this boy out the video, guys. Oh shit, talk to me now. Oh, yeah, damn.
Put that sweet toy out.
I don't give a fuck about no toy.
I want to hear
That whole sweet toy. They got the bags on them, boy.
I seen her when they passed. I ain't hear that hoe. I ain't hear that.
That bitch better say S when he come past me.
I just thought about Ken though. That's why I looked at that. Oh God, garbage ass nigga. Why you think you beat? He finna see this shit, garbage ass.
It might be an 8 in. It's just slow as hell.
Yeah, the whole is slow. They take a long time to go through it. They're gonna do the good boy dude on the Corleone. I bet he on Corleone. I bet he on Corleone and not boy. He on Corleone.
Yeah. God damn. That's that right there. God damn. God damn. Oh, crazy. Ooh. This right here so crazy. This bit right here so crazy. Check it out, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. If I didn't have a stain, I probably would have went wide body, on God. Wide body's gotta be the, cause a wide body, anything, top tier. Cause if I ain't gonna stain on God, I would have went wide body, on God. It might be photo, I ain't gonna lie. It gotta be photo. It gotta be photo. It gotta be photo. You trying to get my attention, ain't you? Yeah, man. Oh, clean as hell. This hoe right here is so fucking clean. God damn. Check them out. Ooh. Ooh. That bitch nasty. This Mustang? Hit my motherfucking hit my ass. I don't give a fuck. I never. He ain't on my ass. He ain't on my ass. I shut this shit the fuck down. I shut. Now, if I go grab this key and walk to the car,
Ain't no shit,
and
y'all.
just walk through this door and say fuck where everybody.
Do it. Call your bluff. Ain't no police. I don't see no. Ain't no police.
You ain't do it though.
Calling your bluff.
Oh, yeah, bro.
You do it, I'll pop a time.
Ooh. Sound like.
Hell no, this is all the time. He a little too gangster for me. I ain't doing all that.
Lemon in the whole ass.
You gotta squeeze a lemon. Fuck that, nigga. You dangerous. You just gonna squeeze a lemon in the whole eye.
Lemon in the whole eye. And make a hoe cry.
Ooh.
You hear me?
You understand me?
Just like that. The hoe somebody she ain't wanna cry. You know I squeeze a lemon in your eye. Cry, hold on.
Yeah, you talking about cry, hoe.
Cry right now, hoe.
Tell the bitch bye.
Cry, cut an onion in your face, bitch.
Real shit, man. Let's move around. Y'all still lemonade? Y'all still living on the chain with your free cup?
What you mean?
You ain't no old nigga. You don't know about none of that. You know what I'm saying? You ain't living on the chain with your free cup, yo nigga. You know what I'm saying? Lemon. You know about that? You know what I'm saying?
Y'all ready? There we go. Lemonade.
What's in that hoe? There's some lemonade there? Yeah, that's a 1, 2. That's about $5. That's about $5. About $5.
I got it, man. My mind back on. So what else told me that?
Yeah. I understand me.
Mix that shit up.
I was thinking that shit too. Uh-oh, Mia. He on Mia ass. Damn. Holla. See what he say? See what he say? Like a motherfucker, man. Real shit, man. Like a motherfucker, man. My friend, not fine. Boy, that motherfucker here. Oh, look at that goddamn Shaq and Kobe, goddamn. Shaq and Kobe around that motherfucker. You understand me? Talking about North Memphis, man. Real North Memphis friends, man. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't even from the North. You understand me?
You see them twisties right there, though.
I thought they were Rampage, but Rampage on bags.
Coming soon on the marrow, man. If you know, you know. You see them hoes, you gonna find out.
Look. Money gone. Like a motherfucker.
Pockets empty.
Like that Rolls Royce Cullen over there?
Cullen who?
Silver. I mean, Rolls Royce Royce.
Take my bed.
Right here.
Said what game? What you laughing for? What I miss, man?
Hey, you don't like this Rolls Royce right here?
Where it?
2004 style.
Damn.
Hey.
What's going on, man? You alright? So EBT.
What's going on?
Huh? Who got EBT? I listen.
EBT.
Like the shit I
Slider. That's the slider 300 right there.
Yeah, that boy listen here.
Shoot your ass.
Tell him again.
EBG,
Oh God. My real talk, nigga, I ain't playing this shit.
It's that land down.
Man, here go your boy, man. So the fuck me in them ass shit. Ooh, BTI.
Hey, how you had to jump up there? Hey, how you had to jump up there?
What the hell?
Go you grab a blues, just right there.
I see all my family, man. I see my family, man. You see me?
I
don't know who that was.
I seen your shit parked in Fraser and then parked forward in the driveway.
In the driveway? Yeah. I can't even say it, man. Hey, I gotta train this bitch again, goddamn.
I be up in here, so anytime that what y'all do, y'all say crazy bitch.
Yeah. Hey, she crazy about that motherfucker. Hey, but I'm gonna tell you one thing. You go inside that bitch, you gonna see number ass.
Crazy.
No, crazy.
Next.
He ain't lying now. We just went. I'm telling you, the food ass.
I ain't gonna lie, it's plenty of it.
Man, every waitress. I'm talking about, it's what you thought Hooters was growing up.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, dos,
No, they know better than the Hooters.
No, I'm talking about,
better than the Hooters.
it's what you thought it was growing up, you know what I'm saying?
Damn.
I'm talking about, you said Uno, dos, tres. I'm talking about Dorito Loco Taco.
You look left, you look right.
Grande.
I'm talking about El Grande back O. That mean big back in Espanol.
Chalupa combo.
I mean,
You look everywhere, cause you down there, close your eyes, you see some
They
shit.
say for one person English, habla español a primo dos.
ooh. I don't know what the fuck he just said, but it sounded good, though, didn't it? God damn. Where the fuck Tate them at? He got niggas lean on his car and shit. Ching! What's going on, dog? You good? Where you at, man?
Mine, I'm fucked up.
Again?
I'm in that big ass truck right there. In my truck.
You got that whole cocked up on that bitch. God damn.
Got to.
Bro, what you be doing, bro? God damn. I've been for a little minute. We just been walking.
You seen that nigga that smacked that old car? That old man?
I ain't been out that long.
Yeah, right there. He was doing some dumb shit. He was sliding in between the cars. He just got that on. SS Camaro. He just got that bitch like a week ago. Nigga slid that bitch through the car. We could tell he couldn't drive right here.
Nigga turn around.
Niggas be trying to do too much. Like it's certain times for it.
Smack the motherfucking old ass man rich up. The goddamn feds hemmed his ass up.
Betty dick, bro. This thing, like I know I do dickhead shit. You don't like that right there, though. You know what I'm saying? I know.
Come on now, man.
You know what I'm saying? I know I do dickhead shit, but I know when to chill. On God, I know when to chill.
They finna be like, they know I don't need this shit. Watch this shit.
Talk to me now.
We walked back over here, you did not have that water in his head. I know you fucking lying. I need nothing else to drink.
That's what I'm talking about. Have a good day, my boy. Have a good motherfucking day. Legs, my dog. You want to take a shot too? Shit.
And the bad part about it, I hate fucking Lulu.
Ooh, wee. Got them blue boys out this motherfucker.
You in your car?
Yeah, I'm way over there though. Oh shit. Why the fuck you doing all that?
Coyote.
Hell, what it sound like, don't it? Motherfucker just told me somebody just smacked somebody shit out here in the main road. Old school. He smacked the old school. Damn. He said them folks said he jumped out the car, drive out, no tent, and instantly in jail.
That's wild.
Pranking.
He said,
They were talking about. Yeah. Yeah. They don't talk about, man. Real nigga shit, man. Oh, we.
Let this thing around here. What's going on?
It's your turn, fool. Everybody hit that hoe except you, bro. Come on, hit that hoe.
Yeah, act like you finna pour it in the cup and drink that.
That ain't shit but spit at the bottom.
Hell no. Ain't nobody spinning it though, bitch ass nigga.
Man, that ain't shit but mouthwash with y'all to wash back, man. What the
They got
hell?
to hit so hard. You gotta hit that. Shit.
That's bite.
What?
I'm first hit that hoe bite.
Man, shit, take that.
Shit, man.
I just drunk that hoe.
Time for a new one, ain't it? No, out breathing.
That hoe got that Vicks vapor rub on that hoe.
Oh yeah, you hit the side.
Pop that bill.
Yeah, there you go. Nah, Who
Yeah, shit. Huh? Yeah.
They been blowing the horn all day.
Saying all that freak ass shit.
Ah, that's just fruity, Louis,
I mean, what's that candy? What's that candy? Fruities.
Yeah, man. Nothing but fruit snacks.
Nothing but fruit.
Want some more shit done today?
I'm sick of that motherfucker. We had to work on it, bro. Look at the rail mobile. We had to work on that bitch.
Which one? The front right? The front of the back?
In the middle.
Oh,
We had to work on that hoe, cuz. That motherfucker was so goddamn raggedy, fool. I don't think good is the music.
How you was in on what's it like? Drive a race car.
Race car? A blue bus thing. That hoe. He was out with us one day.
Hey, you gotta tuck your seats in.
No, I'm talking about, you know, like, when your homeboy let you drive his race car, it was a Mustang?
That was gutted. Nah, it was a 2013.
Oh, okay.
You pay a nigga to do your seats, and you gotta tuck your seats in. I'm taking the seats out, you gotta do the hoes over.
Oh, yeah. Why?
Cause I was tucking that nigga seats in.
Oh, wait, what you gonna do?
You know I'm gonna have some exotic shit.
What you gonna do, man? That motherfucker clean, though, now. Got the lip on that bitch. Look at that old school.
It's a bait. It's a bait.
Ain't no GT. Man, damn, man. Hey, I'm just proud to say, I put my hands on this car before. I'm proud to say that. I'm proud. I say that much. You ragged to hell though. What's going on, bro? He ain't doing shit with it though. I would've fucked the street up in mine. Ain't got any music. What you doing, bro?
What he doing, bro?
That's all thing.
What wrong with him?
That's all thing good about that motherfucker, the music.
Oh, he beat when it cut on, bro.
He said, "Might cut the bro." That hoe hit so hard. Hey, look at that interior on that bitch. There that bitch go. There it go. There it go. better catch that motherfucker. Say that now. I know you better catch that motherfucker.
Go ahead, hit me so I can have
If he don't catch that motherfucker, I'ma catch his ass, alright. Tell you that now. I got something for his ass. Why you just walking around, man? There's some little shit out here, man, but also some bullshit out here too.
bullshit.
Yeah, I never seen the Rolls Royce Phantom over here though.
Ah, yeah.
The Phantom on foes. You see the Phantom?
Yeah, that's the 04 motherfucker. What the little boosted motherfucker.
It's the 04 Phantom motherfucker, man. You know how that go. On the foe. Okay. Piece of shit. What you popping the hood on that motherfucker? God damn, what that is right now?
What he do? What he do?
Yeah.
What he do? Bro, he drive for fucking stain. Hey, man, I'm trying to train mine in for a manual TT. Oh, God, what? You think I'm bored? Look at the proof. Look at the proof.
Hey, jiggy, goddamn.
We gonna go on Parker. See if my...
What, slice time? What that is? God damn.
I cut my own shit. Oh, we're gonna get you right.
Fuck about that motherfucking kangaroo.
I'm gonna get you right.
The black kangaroo look that nigga. Oh, it's pouring, oh. Grenade. Damn.
This shit.
Yeah, all y'all fucked up. All y'all, this nigga her favorite word. All y'all fucked up.
What?
Goddamn grenade. Huh?
This y'all security.
Nah, we got more than that.
I can tell the nigga that don't give a fuck about it.
Don't give a damn. Nigga come up on the hell he's on.
He said he's security.
Man, what he just go? His pants big for a reason.
Yeah, man, what's in that motherfucker, man? Oh, God. Oh.
Nigga said, yo, I got an elephant trunk up here. I said, what? Because of my gun, guy. I got the.
Who the fuck told you that shit? What you saying, bro?
I got that gloss.
No, that motherfucker.
I had 22.
Yeah, I got $20.
First of all,
22 so fucking big, fool.
20 shit worked there for all week.
$22. Oh, that's good.
Who pop that in?
Don't know the TV.
Damn. God, that motherfucker snapping. God damn.
People keep loving
God damn, boy.
Motion and commotion. Motion and commotion.
I think he's driving that baby one day.
Motion and commotion. Here's the red light, but you know I ran through it.
Can't play like a crazy nigga. They all lazy niggas. Can't switch they stay with niggas. Like a breeze, I'm spraying the niggas. Listen, but this shit lame with a nigga. Got it, they got these niggas too tender. Love a meeting, you go in the blender. Like a black nut, you know respect. Niggas can't hit him right. What the fuck, now you fight for life. Eat it all, you say what price. Sing it twice, you say what life.
Jalen! Reach my hand! Reach my hand! Reach my hand! Take my hand, bitch! Take my hand, bitch!
my nigga on that camera. Oh my God, good looking. South Mississippi. Yeah. Yeah.